how to reset Reolink password. So if you want to reset your Reolink password, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you're here, you need to just go with search and search for Reolink and go with reolink.com, which is the official website. Now, once you're on the official website, you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that login option. Click on login. Once you click on login, it will take you to the login page, from where we'll be able to reset our Reolink password. So once it takes you to the login page here, you can enter your email. And now we've forgotten our password, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with lost your password, which is here on the bottom left, and then enter your email and go with next. Once you go with next, you will receive a verification code to the email address. You just need to simply enter the code. And after entering that code, you'll be able to create a new password and you'll be able to reset your password. In this way, you'll be able to reset your password on your Reolink account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.